Alright, basically a slow retrieve. Alternate how many pulls you take. There you are. Got them on the reel quick. I don't like putting the rod forwards, but I'm actually fishing off this video. Alright, I switched up to a conehead muddler. I'll show you what it looks like if I get a fish to come back with it. There you go. It's not a bad one. I think the current actually made that one feel a little bit heavier than it really is. Or it's charging the boat. Hopefully I can get an angle on this thing so I can show you what the it seems to be the just the so that's basically what I just threw, a conehead green muddler. There you go. Feels a little bit smaller than the other ones, but trout's a trout, right? Again with the, oh, it's got a little kick, but it seems like he might be in the, right in the side of the seam, so it might be a little bit, he might be fighting a little bit bigger than he is. So we got ourselves, yeah, just a feisty rainbow, I think. Off the other side here, and give this thing some line. There's one little seam down there behind a rock that I want to get to before the night's over and before this battery dies. So you're going to see me giving it some line. Although there's nothing up top, the river for the most part will give you pretty good hints on where the fish are lying. I'm going to get into the backing even, and then start retrieving. As soon as I get the backing on the reel, all I'm doing is really showboating here for the fish, because they don't like something moving that quick with the water's this temperature. So now, there we go. There we go. Took about what, a foot on the backing end, and we got a nice one. That'll be about it as long as the battery holds. Drag isn't set. Trying to adjust the camera. I'd like to film more, but battery's not going to allow me to. Bad trout.